Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video a little bit different. It's basically a shoot and run video. If you don't know what that means, well, don't worry about it. Some people out there probably do. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be reviewing this product here. Yep, as you can see, it's totally back to front. So let's have you round the proper way. Well, today we're going to be reviewing 2 pork and cheese sausage rolls. So let's have a quick look at the content. Yep, there's a lot of it. And there's your nutrients over here. You don't really want to see that if you see all that fat. They are from Iceland and they cost around £3 for the 2. So let's have a look at what they actually look like. Quite amazing to me, they don't look too bad frozen. So this is what they look like frozen. Got some herby stuff on the top. Everyone seems to want to use this herby stuff. It's telling me something about the content now, because don't you put that in the sausage roll as well, the herby stuff? It's actually a very big sausage roll. So what about the instructions for baking? So let's go and get our tray. Yep, we're there. So what we're going to do, we're going to pop over to the oven. You can see what type of mess I'm in here. So if you've got one of these Sage ovens, be very careful, they do burn. So first you want to be on the bake cycle, like that. And then we need to turn it up to 200. And it wants to be 35 minutes, and that should be bang on the money. Switch her on. It's preheating. Let's turn the light on a minute. And we'll pop her straight in the oven. Wasn't that really simple? But you know, I'll just put one in there. Now, interesting enough, wouldn't it be handy to have one already baked? Of course. So let's go and get the one I've already got baked and have a look. And that's what it looks like. Straight from the oven. It doesn't look too bad. Hasten to say, it's gonna have meat in it. Unlike those vegan things I had last week. Look. Right, so let's have a look inside and cut him open. Oh, nice and flaky. And that's what it looks like inside. Looks a bit white, doesn't it, guys? So first, I'm going to start with the pastry. Let's see what this tastes like. Saltless. I just love a bit of salt in my puff pastry, but obviously they don't want to bother. So let's go for the main job. Now this should be interesting. So this is the big beast. So let's see what it tastes like. This is going to go to bits. Well, after the vegan stuff, this is absolutely beautiful. Now, you can taste the sausage meat straight away. The sausage meat tastes really, really nice. It's actually really good quality sausage meat, tastes like. And I can't taste the cheese, to be honest. It's not that cheesy. I'll have another go just in case. Yeah, I could taste the cheese that time. I'd probably eat the whole lot and say I couldn't taste the cheese and then say I need another one just to check. No, you've got the cheese coming through that as well. It's not too hot. It's what I call, the pepperiness is just right. It's just right for a sausage roll. And you have got a bit of salt in there. I think they could have done with a bit more salt, but There again, that's me. And apparently everybody's trying to cut back on salt. Well, why? Do we really need to cut back that much? But that's quite tasty. Well, I haven't had any dinner yet, so I'm gonna sum this up very fast. And from my point of view, that is a 9 out of 10. The price was right, it tastes good. You only get 2 in a packet, but they are quite large. So you're on the money. I dare to say there is other products in Iceland you can buy. Don't want to mention the word, something to do with Greggs. They have got, the thing is, if you've been into an Iceland store, you know what's in there. Everything's frozen. And now these days, they've got like 5 or 6 different freezers full of different products from other manufacturers, exclusive to Iceland. So there is that good thing about it. If you go into a normal supermarket, you'll only find 1 or 2 of the ranges in there. That was a straightforward 9 out of 10. I like that. It's spot on for me. And if you've tried this product, what do you think about it? Just drop a comment below the video and let me know. And if you want me to try anything else, okay, only in the UK, please. I don't want to travel all the way to Australia this time of year. It'd probably be quite nice because we're here, it's raining, gale force winds. Of course, you've got it damn hot, ain't you? Well, there you go, folks. If you enjoyed this video and you want more like this, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget, all these videos you see, we'll be making these pies when I get my kitchen done. So just remember that. Everything I review, we're gonna have a go at. I don't think I'm gonna be doing vegan stuff because from the popularity of it, it's very poor. So there we go, folks. We'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! And I think I'm gonna finish this because it was so nice. This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!